Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate. And we just sold another one here over at 5122 Collins. There's this hurricane special here in the background. Great investor opportunity. Investor's going to come in and fix this home up. It's great location, close to Tyndall Air Force Base. We got Super Walmart just a couple blocks away. Great opportunity. Glad someone was able to snatch it up. And if you guys have property that you need to buy or sell in the Bay County area, we would love to help you out. If you have a home like this where your insurance policy has reimbursed you, it's a total loss, but you still see some value in the land, or maybe a little bit of the structure is left like this one, give us a call. Let us evaluate your home for you. Let us give you an idea of what you could get for it on top of your insurance payout. We'd love to help you with that. And if you need to find property as an investor, or if you're really handy, we have other property like this that could be a great opportunity for you as well. We'll talk to you guys next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. All right, you guys, we'll talk to you next time. Someone's getting a roof put on.